Good morning, friends. This is Victor Alpha 3 Bravo Hotel Yankee with a video about programming the Mikrotik hEX router model RB750Gr3. The Mikrotik hEX router is a router with 5 gigabit Ethernet ports, capable of VLAN support and advanced NAT and firewall rules. One feature it's missing is a Wi-Fi capability. The router was reset to factory default settings, so today we are starting with fresh, unprogrammed unit. Let's begin. Connect your router as illustrated on the next slide. Connect the Internet cord to port 1, connect the PC cord to port 5, then turn on everything. First, we need to download a software called Winbox from Mikrotik website. Open your browser and go to google.com. Search for Mikrotik website. This is what we want. Click on Software tab, then to Winbox 3.41 link. Choose the appropriate Windows version you have. A small program called Winbox64.exe will be downloaded to your Downloads folder. Close the browser and go to the Downloads folder. Double-click on Winbox64 to launch it. Click on Neighbors tab. The router will show up. Click on it. Log in as admin. The password, you will find it on a product label sticker in the router. Click Connect. But because this has been a previously programmed router, I have to reset it back to factory default settings. Once in, click on System, then Reset Configuration. Click on Reset Configuration, then press Yes to reset and reboot the router. To improve security, create a new user with admin privileges, then disable the default admin account. Log in using Winbox. Click on Neighbors. The router will show up with its default IP address. Click on it. Log in as admin. Enter the default password. You'll find it on the product label sticker in the router. This message will show up for the first time on routers with factory default settings. Click OK. On the top left corner, it shows who is currently logged into the system and the session IP address. Click on System, then Users. The user list will open. Click on the plus sign to add a new user. Enter the name. On the group, change it to full. Then enter the password of the new user. Enter it again to confirm. Click OK. Now, you will see 2 users in the list. Disconnect the current session. Log in again using admin and default password. Click Add/Set to save these credentials in the Managed section. Select the router. Log in as new user you just created and enter the password. Click Connect. Verify that you can connect to the router. Click System, then Users. Click on Admin Account. Press X to disable it. Close and exit the Winbox. Open the Winbox again. Choose Admin and click OK. The router should reject this account since it was disabled. Click on the new user, click Connect, confirm that you are now allowed to program the router. It is time to program the virtual local networks. The assignment will be as follows. Ether 2 will be VLAN 20 for local LAN. Ether 3 will be VLAN 30 for Arden. Ether 4 will be VLAN 40 for local VoIP. Ether 5 will be VLAN 1 as management. Connect to the router using Winbox. Click on Bridge. Click on Ports. Click on Ether 2. Click on the VLAN tab. Change the PVID to 20. Place a check on ingress filtering. Click OK. Click on Ether 3. Click on VLAN tab. Change the PVID to 30. Place a check on ingress filtering. Click OK. Click on Ether 4. Click on the VLAN tab. Change the PVID to 40. Place a check on ingress filtering. Click OK. Click on Ether 5. Click on VLAN tab. Leave the PVID to 1. Place a check on ingress filtering. Click OK. Close the bridge session. Next, rename the interfaces for easy identification. Click on Interfaces. Double-click on Ether 1. Rename Ether 1 to Ether 1-WAN. Click OK to save. Double-click on Ether 2. Rename Ether 2 to Ether 2-LAN. Click OK to save. Double-click on Ether 3. Rename Ether 3 to Ether 3-Arden. Click OK to save. Double-click on Ether 4. Rename Ether 4 to Ether 4-Local. Click OK to save. Double-click on Ether 5. Rename Ether 5 to Ether 5-Management. Click OK to save. Next is to create soft VLAN and assign their interfaces to the bridge. Click on plus down arrow to open a menu. Choose VLAN. Name, enter VLAN 20-LAN. On the VLAN ID, enter 20. On the interface, choose Bridge. Click OK. Click on plus down arrow to open a menu. Choose VLAN. Name, enter VLAN 30 Arden. On the VLAN ID, enter 30. On the interface, choose Bridge. Click OK. Click on plus down arrow to open a menu. Choose the VLAN. Name, enter VLAN 40-local. On the VLAN ID, enter 40. On the interface, choose Bridge. Click OK. Click on plus down arrow to open a menu. Choose VLAN. Name, enter VLAN 1-Management. Click OK. Next, create addresses for each soft VLAN. Press IP, then Addresses. Address list will open. Click the plus sign to add addresses. On the address, enter 192.168.20.1/24. Change the interface to VLAN 20. Click OK. We will repeat this for each VLAN. On the address, enter 192.168.30.1/24. Change the interface to VLAN 30 Arden. Click OK. On the address, enter 192.168.40.1/24. Change the interface to VLAN 40 local. Click OK. Create a bridge VLAN, then assign tagged and untagged traffic interfaces. Click on Bridge, then VLANs. Click on plus sign to add new bridge VLAN. On Bridge, choose Bridge. On VLAN ID, enter 20. On Tagged, choose Ether2-LAN. Click the down arrow to add another entry and choose Bridge. On the untagged, choose Ether5-Management. Click OK. Repeat the procedure for each VLAN. Click on plus sign to add a new bridge VLAN. On Bridge, choose Bridge. On VLAN ID, enter 30. On Tagged, choose Ether3-Arden. Click the down arrow to add another entry and choose Bridge. On the untagged, choose Ether5-Management. Click OK. On VLAN ID, enter 40. On tagged, choose VLAN 40-local. Click the down arrow to add another entry and choose Bridge. On the untagged, choose Ether5-Management. Click OK. Create a LAN connection to VLAN management to ensure access to the router. This is to avoid defaulting your router if something goes wrong while programming the router. Click on Interface, Interfaces list. Press the plus sign to add a new interface list. On the list, choose LAN. Interface, VLAN 1 Management. Click OK. Activate VLAN filtering on the bridge to enable all the VLAN interfaces. Click on Bridge, Bridges. Double-click on Bridge. Click on VLAN. Place a check mark on VLAN filtering to enable it. Place a check mark on Ingress filtering. Click Apply. Then click OK. Create a DHCP server on each soft VLANs. Click on IP, then to DHCP server. Click on DHCP tab. Click on DHCP setup. Choose VLAN 20-LAN. Next. Verify that the address space is correct. Next. Verify that the gateway is correct. Next, verify addresses to give out. Next, verify the DNS server is correct. Next, add 1D on list time so the IP addresses is list for 1 day. Next, press OK. Click on DHCP setup. Choose VLAN 30-Arden. Next, verify that the address space is correct. Next, verify that the gateway is correct. Next, verify addresses to give out. Next, verify the DNS server is correct. Next, click OK. Click on DHCP setup. Choose VLAN 40. Next, verify that the address space is correct. Next, verify that the gateway is correct. Next, verify addresses to give out. Next, verify the DNS server is correct. Next, press OK. It is time to reboot the router. Go to System. Choose Reboot. Click Yes. Create NAT and firewall rules. Click on IP. Then Firewall. Filter Rules. Click on the plus sign to add rules. Chain forward. Source address, enter the VLAN 20 address. On the destination address, enter the VLAN 30 address. Click on Action. Select Drop. Click OK. This rule prevents devices in VLAN 20 LAN from connecting to devices on VLAN 30 Arden network. I will create another rule. Chain forward. Sources, enter VLAN 30 address. On the destination address, enter VLAN 20 address. Click on Action. Select Drop. Click OK. This rule prevents devices in VLAN 30 from connecting to devices on VLAN 20. Click on the plus sign, chain forward. Source address, enter the VLAN 40 address. On the destination address, leave blank or 0.0.0.0 means everything. Click on Action. Select Drop. Click OK. This rule prevents devices in VLAN 40 from connecting to any devices, but this rule can be disabled to allow internet traffic to VLAN 40. Click on the plus sign, chain forward. Source address, enter the VLAN 1 management address. On the destination, enter VLAN 20 address. Action, select Accept. Click OK. This rule will allow VLAN management to access or communicate with devices in VLAN 20. Since the firewall rules are executed sequentially, I have to drag this new rule from number 16 up to position 10. This rule will be executed before the drop rules. Click on the plus sign to add rules. Chain forward. Source address, enter the VLAN 1 management address. On the destination, enter VLAN 30 address. Action, select Accept. Click OK. This rule allows devices in VLAN 1 management to access or communicate with VLAN devices in VLAN 30. I have to drag this new rule from number 16 up to position 11. This rule will be executed before the drop rules. I will create another rule. Click on the plus sign to add rules. Chain forward. Source addresses, enter VLAN 1 management address. On the destination address, enter VLAN 40 address. Action, select accept. Click OK. This rule allows devices in VLAN 1 management to access or communicate with devices in VLAN 40. I have to drag this rule from 17 to 12. Click on the plus sign to add rules. Chain forward. Source address, enter VLAN management address. On the destination address, enter 0.0.0.0. Out interface, select Ether1 WAN. Action, select accept. Click OK. Drag this new rule from 18 to 13. This rule will be executed before the drop rules. Testing the VLAN on each port. We start with our PC cord connected to port 5 management VLAN with an assigned IP address of 192.168.88.1/24. Port 1 is connected to my ISP. On the Windows command prompt, type ipconfig. We get an expected IP address, subnet, and gateway. Now let's see if we have an internet connection. I will ping google.com. Yes, I can ping google.com. We have internet access on port 5. Now, I move the PC cord to port number 4. I disabled the NAT firewall for VLAN 40 earlier to allow VLAN 40 to access the internet. On the Windows command prompt, type ipconfig. We get the expected IP address, subnet, and gateway for VLAN 40. Now let's see if we have an internet connection. I will ping google.com. Yes, I can ping google.com. We have internet access on port 4. Now I move the PC cord to port 3. On the Windows command prompt, type ipconfig. We get the expected IP address, subnet, and gateway for VLAN 30. Now let's see if we have an internet connection. I will ping google.com. Yes, I can ping google.com. We have internet access on port 3. Now, I move the PC cord to port number 2. On the Windows command prompt, type ipconfig. We get an expected IP address, subnet, and gateway for VLAN 20. Now, let's see if we have an internet connection. I will ping google.com. Yes, I can ping google.com. We have internet access on port 2. This concludes the programming of the Mikrotik router. I'm impressed with this small but powerful router. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I appreciate it. Thank you for watching. This is Victor Alpha 3 Bravo Hotel Yankee 73 to all.